So here's the yard after 4 weeks of having this silage tarp or 6 mil polyplastic applied. Got some pretty crude weights on it, but they hold it down and keep it down in the wind. So I'm gonna remove it in this video and just show you what's underneath and what it looks like. So here's the first layer peeled back, just what it looks like. Pretty clean for 4 weeks. Looks like most of that grass is dead. The grass right here is just icky looking, but still very much alive. And then there's some stuff right here where it got up through the outsides of it, so it's not perfect, but that's to be expected. And this is what peppermint looks like when it doesn't get any light. Otherwise, looks pretty good. A little more of the plastic removed. There's a few weeds, mostly dandelions, that survived. Should have left it for 8 weeks, but it's time to move forward.